Ano naman na saman?
First, Bicol Brigade. Next, Spirit Seekers. Next, Victorious Vanguard. Next, Grace Generation. Ika-fifth, ang Witness Warriors. And lastly, ang Chosen Collectives. Basta na. Basta na.
Go, Vic!
Yo. Yo. Yo, don't you got that rock, yo. Yo, everybody put your hands up. Everybody put your hands up. We are the big congregate. That's like two spiritual metamorphosis. With our light, our team shines with them. And it never gets dark and it never gets fade. And our team shines within with spiritual faith. And we are the best above the rest. If you think your team is in that crew, yo, please listen up, dude. If you think your team is in that crew, join here with us. We gotta be the party, yeah. Bring out your cell phone and turn on the flashlights. Check. I saw this one. Come on.
Stop your hands, stop your hands. Hey, stop your hands, go. Come on. Joe Jesus, you said no. Hey, no Jesus. No. Hey, no Jesus, no Jesus. Just the buzz of nigga. I was once in the struggle and now I was feeling upset. But then I found the light, shining bright in the night. Hear this voice calling and I'm feeling alright. No Jesus. It was very dark before, but now I found the light. Hey, no Jesus, no light. Hey, we here in Redden got we feel alright. No Jesus, hey, I was lost in life before, but He gave me eyes to see. No Jesus, hey, this is joy youth camp and His power set us free. Come on, clap, clap.
Start the beat.
align your priorities. Let's ride it. Yeah. The world out full of chaos.
Oh yeah.
Calm in the storm. Find the direction that is weird, born. God's got the plan and pride for us to walk. So uncover your peoples. Let your passion talk.
Okay, let's proceed to round 2. Another round of that sa mga natin sa mga kinalain-lain ng mga rappers. So, let's start with Bicol Brigade.
Yeah. Yeah. Bicol Brigade, hindi magpapatinag, hindi magpapatalo, at laging mananalo. Para naman pagsubok, ang aming susuungin, hindi man kami susuko, at hindi rin magpapasubo. Because we are Bicol Brigade, the city can't be hidden. We got it very father, who lives.
DJ, come on. Come on. Here we go. Into the mic, sa iglesia suna. Ang first switch, pasensyahan nyo na kung ito'y medyo mabigas kayo. Pwede na magalan yung mga kaunti. Para sa hindi, makaintindi. Kung punta nyo dito ay para lang sa mga chicks, mga mates. Pwede na kayo umuwi. Mananalo na agad-agad kasi kahit namin first up 2, 6, 33, come on, hey, sandala namin ang Diyos, ewan, matatalo niyo pa, kami, come on, hey, hey,
Hindi ato ang tion para magpatagyaw! Give me a beat, yeah. We worship the King, let us praise and scream, and cover the purpose that you are. Sing, align your life with the heavenly call. Feel your passion in your call. Moment in every prayer, feel the presence. Now He's there. Wait, those are more chant. Oh, we are faith. Listen and collect. Deep, answer the call, please.
Hey, you guys want more? Okay, let's have another one round. Pero last na niya. Pero ayoko ko lang. Samtang galing ba sila? Please, sinayo na ato ng mga ano. Kaya ka ba tiyan dyan, Jess? No shouting, guys. No howling, no shouting. Okay na sa inyo? Okay. Let's proceed to our last round. Hindi lang, hindi mo ba ito bigatan yan? Big box.
Yeah. Yo. Do you think all you see can beat him with cats of Brazil level? Nice try, campers. Artificial shirt worn after the 20th pattern time pattern that says because we became the champion. Wow.
Check. Come on. Hey. Clap your hands one more time. Hey. Hey. Kung may yung pagito at pilihan ang bolsilyo na lang. Kung nalabi ang inyong kapatian, nawala na talapat sa naso niya hindi pagpagamit. Ang ginahatagan natin ito, bugay sa Diyos Ama. Sige ka mo sa pag-ungisal at come on. Ay na! Sigma! Kung ay yung pagito matsilihan ang bolsilyo na lang, ibang buhon ko na lang para inyong mabang. Nawala na talapat sa rason niya ito. Pag-awal ang nagapag suntalino ang bugay sa Diyos Ama. Sige ka mo sa pagpulong sa ayaw ang pagsulat. Diyos na ang mga kapatid, sa tanan niya panulad ang hindi. Si matakag mag-alaga, di mabat sa galigid ang pagpalagat ni God. No Jesus! No Jesus! Come on! No Jesus! One more time! No Jesus!
Hindi na pa, hindi na, hindi mo sa
This generation na bro, galit. Berde kami, everything from them. Pero we're sure.
Okay, last na eh. Okay, gawin mo kayo. So, andito pa rin si Michelle, wala gitna, perde. Ari ba matiin, kag inyo nga kapte. Mga experience unique and true, sa kakitang tuon, nagabuhin nyo. Sa mga pagdilaw, kita mga baskog. Si Susang Dalan, kita magkadaog sa mga activities nagdako ang faith na buhin-buhinan ang akon way. Ganpano ang akon heart sa mga pagdayaw, sunod na sakripisyo ato ni padayaw. Sa pagbalik sa balay, tara ang kalipay. Gugma ni Jesus maghari sa aton pagtuo, padayon kita sa pangukay. Kapikag alaw sa kamnag, enjoy, nakilala mga utod sa Diyos nagtuyo sa mga lecture, worship, and fellowship. Kita nagapasalamat sa inyong leadership. Sa mga pagdilaw kita magkadaog, tungod kay Jesus kita mabastog.
May pinila ko ka, English. Nagpupusan ko sa verse. Dito lang ang chorus. We worship the King, let His praises ring. Uncover your heart, let your heart sing. Align your life with the heavenly call. Feel your passion, give Him your own